Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this ombre and freehand nail design. So on a clean makeup sponge, I'm going to apply this peachy orange polish and then a cream polish. It's really peach the color, but in the video it looks orange, so we'll just say peachy orange. And I already painted the base of my color with that peachy orange, and I did that because I want the orange to get picked up more. It's really a simpler way to do an ombre. The only problem is because I'm adding a white tip, you have to do this design several times to get the deep opaque color on the top of your nails. Now, like I said, once you do it, it's really a pretty design, and you don't necessarily have to add any design on top of it like a freehand or a nail stamp design, but I just thought it's perfect with a freehand design. That's just me, but like I said, it's really pretty on its own. Now, once I was done cleaning around my nails, I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I need a smooth surface to create my freehand nail design. Now, using my black nail striper, I'm just going to draw some wavy and curved lines. It's a really easy nail design. I like to do this design a lot because it's just really pretty, and I just love the look of it, and it's really easy to do. You can add as many lines as you want to. I kind of went a little crazy with the lines. Don't mind me. You don't have to add as much lines as I did, but, a few lines is suffice. Now, like I said, I'm using a nail striper, but you can use a nail brush with nail polish or acrylic paints. It's a really easy and simple design. Once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.